Hi, this is the INFINIX Hot 30i and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app and then in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to enable to open. Click to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click on the swatcher. Tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished. Let's go back. For example, let's check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as to all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.